Come cucumber 70 a pound here, cucumber 1 pound and cucumber 70.
What shape? Jaja know.
So yeah, massive, you don't know, down a town, Grand Market there, massive. Yo, me not do intro today. I'm a guest today.
Yeah man, remember this year man, a Grand Market, you know, tomorrow Christmas. Remember Grand Market, we eat steam fish and shoot down the girl them like a target. That's what I say, really. It's all nice. Last night, the town full. You know, see not yet, everybody check in, everybody. Whole Westmoreland, Melissa couldn't stop this, they can't stop the dry Melissa. Still happy. You hear that? You can't stop the Christmas song. You hear that? Cost of living, one downtown, everything cheap and affordable. You hear that? You can come buy something and your money short and you say, brown man, you don't have the right money, we still give you. And make sure you go to Jamaica, walk by more something still.
No joke.
Clean and pure no water. Guess what we are here? Simmer road. As all of the girls them just gather around. You hear that? Cost of living, big up world mass anyway there. One price started. One Jamaica walk by TV. What is on my nose?
I'm out. Yes, massive. Today, we just have to walk through downtown, show the happenings. You only can see downtown looking like this on in a December Grand Market day. So massive, this is not going to be a long video where we have to walk through, show the exact vibe downtown. And I don't know if you with the 10th floor, you know what I mean, 10th floor, you only can see downtown. Like even you, we don't just the other day when you reach back and you can't see a place. So you know the vibe. Energy different. So massive, we're going to walk through, we're going to see what one thing. Grand Market, day downtown, and just go through. And so all you can see in a cool way, wherever now watch from, and there today in a Jamaica. See? Let's do this. Ready? Let's do this. Shut it. Let's do the vibe. So let's go.
Yeah, the mother got any iPhone, any Android case. $300 lady there, I ain't on the money left. $300 phone case. I ain't on the money left. We have earphone over here, so we have earbuds over here, so for over $1,000.
Bird them a fly. Them a bird and a living in the sky. You understand? Everything well.
Yeah man, everything good man. Yeah, we're there. Remember say December, you know. Tomorrow Christmas is a must. So out here I gather with the gather lucky dollars.
That's cool. Respect, we outside, see? Yeah, me and me get no here.
I'm here, man.
I love the brother outside. Yeah, man. Now, massive, let's go through. Down at all. Share about 100 a pop.
Somebody pay you?
So it's
t-shirt and 5 days. I sell them out. Come look. Man shirt. Yeah, come look on them Puma. From Josie, 23 my Jordan. 500. Come out there, sir. Come on, sir. 500 clothes. You want a real clothes. Come look. 500 man shirt. Real is clothes too. Hold it.
Two pieces of curtain, man. I don't man get 2 pieces of curtain. Man, I have curtain for 2.5 your 2 pieces, man. They have 250 to your house, man. Not a 250, man. Man, I 2 pieces of curtain and clothes, man. Man, I have speak. They have matter of curtain, man. Matter of curtain, they have over here, man. Man, they have matter of curtain. 2 pieces of curtain for clothes, man.
Someone said we just have to do it like on a day. So right now we have traffic with people. You see me? People can get in a traffic in a Kingston, you know. Believe you me.
Porridge and tea. Come and get your saltfish splitters. $100 give you the saltfish splitters.
So right now, downtown, Rampa, Grand Market there, everything I got cheap. Quick sale, small profit. Believe you me. So we're in a traffic when it comes to crowd. Jaja no.
Yeah, that's why I upstairs and take a good look at the dress them.
Yeah, man.
With a good dress them. Come upstairs, come take a look, baby. We have pants out for $1,000. We have man jeans and ladies jeans upstairs for $1,000. We have the skirt that $1,000. We have jeans skirt, we have a jeans skirt that $1,000. Walk over and store, come look.
They have high grade store.
Yeah. Walk over, come take a good look. We have a jeans skirt.
Out here, some man pants are 15 bills. Ladies pants are 100.
Man,
Touch him cat one more time.
Those are woman pants, those are man pants, those are man shorts. Those are woman pants, those are man pants, those are woman shorts. Come over here, Samara. Jeans are sell out over here, so those are getting any pants over here, so. Those are woman pants, those are man pants, those are woman shorts. Pants are sell out over here, Samara. Those are getting any pants over here, so.
All of any type of $500 lady, all of 4 bills blouse, 5 bills blouse, man shot, come, man shot, stop. Lady, anything of 5 bills, lady, anything of 400. All of 5 bills blouse, lady, all of anything of 5 bills.
don't even look like at the same place, so the place different.
15 and a woman pants, 13 and these are woman shorts. Sell out over here, so for the jeans, them mother, come over here, so.
Yeah, man.
15 and a man
Downtown, bro,
over here,
G.
so mother, sell a go all over here, so mother. 15 and a man pants, those are woman pants, 12 and a woman pants, those are woman pants, 12 and a woman pants, 13 and a woman pants, 15 and a woman pants, those are a t-shirt, 12 and a t-shirt, 15 and a woman man shirt, those are a woman pants, 12 and a woman pants, 13 and a woman pants, 15 and a woman pants, those are a
So yeah, we just walk through. This is like the real vibe. So you know what them type of thing you don't want. We just feel the energy I don't at all, and that I make sure so I get to there. No, we don't. One more. Yeah, see my final. Yeah. One love, I love you. That take it easy. Big up to my subscriber. See me I say. Let's go. No you know we have here, we not pass. Call load pass. All the people them see it here. And you see you can get the thing them. Right time merchandise, call load pass himself. You understand? The world of the know you know from here, your friend, you know. That is it, my teacher. That is it. Call load pass. Look good. Down at all, down at all, down at all. Yo, yo. Down at all, down at all.
300. Don't kill him, I beg him. No. Yo, don't have to. Don't bust him up. Anything I achieve is just 15 is getting black jeans and 15 is getting new jeans and man jeans and nine jeans. $1,500 via jeans. $1,500 via jeans and short jeans. The man can beat the summer and beat the summer with them guns here. Beat the summer with them guns here. Remember, match your jeans with the guns here. Match your guns with the jeans. Check me now for the hot jeans. Downtown, yeah, some of them jeans are good. Check me out for the hot jeans then. Check me out for the bad jeans then. Some of them go them a sell jeans. And them dreams them a sell. Some of them go them a sell jeans too. And them dreams them a sell. Don't check out the bad jeans and check out the bad jeans. Check me now. Hot jeans over here, so I know over there, sir. Hot jeans over here, so lady, I know over there, so remember, sir. Yes, somebody have done them jeans.
Watch me customers them. Watch me customers them. Watch me customers them. Now we are even brother. We there. Let's go back and look. Boy, it's a boat. We there very early. And we say we are see what going today. And we don't understand. Oh gosh, man. Yeah. But if any kind of pants, any kind of price, remember me tell you. Hey, Cinnamon, respect. Well, we're getting a little visa, man, I tell you. You're getting me, I tell you. I'm a married trip. That's my outside age. Brother, free AC. See them down here take free eat, you know. Big up my brother, everything good. Yeah, but we don't have to. Yeah.
And them dreams, they must say. Dreams, don't. And them dreams, they must say. Don't make them check out, we have the bad dreams. Check out the man jeans. Hey, whoever go quick now, them jeans are weird. Check me now. Hot jeans over here, so I know over there, so. Hot jeans over here, so lady, I know over there, so. Remember say, yes, somebody I have done them jeans, yes, so today. Check me now, big foot straight, check. Hey, check me now. Yo, downtown, oh my son, yo, downtown, oh my son, here I go. And yes, somebody, I'm not going nowhere. Me I done them jeans, yes, so today, here I go. 15 bits get the hot jeans, 15 bits get the new jeans, man jeans, and jeans.
We have the woman pants down there, sir.
$1,500
and we have a walk around there, but I know we don't know where the woman style there. Down there, sir. Alright, go on. Yo!
This summer with them Ganzi.
We have a look on a spot down the road.
Remember, match your jeans with the Ganzi. Match your Ganzi with the jeans. Check me out.
Massive anything today. We just have one video. A grand market there. We just have go through. Massive people like, whoa, brother. Oh my word. People like, whoa. So, we have got pants bars at the end. You see me, I say? Yeah. No joke, no. Down at all. Yeah, so far, we are going to have some pants bars. Down at all. But there, yeah, man.
Alright, Jen.
Yeah. But they're so Yo, since you're walking, tell them which street with the pan, man.
Yo, you know, say Princess Street with the pan. We just leave Bedford Street and now go down for Princess Street. So you know, say, I'm going to make you see what's bad. The woman pants and
watch it. Accident.
You know you can find it.
Yeah. So Princess Street with the pan right now. So this is Princess Street and we are far from Bedford Street a while ago. Come on, we just a rope or anything.
Yeah, man, that's right there, you know.
See, they know, so massive here. All of the woman pants them now. Yes, sir. They can run them in pretty friend. Yeah, so which one we are found from Bedford Street and Princess Street, which are all like man pants. So yes, the woman pants them there now. Cheese and peas. Look good. Everything I forgot. Look, everything I forgot. Everything. See that? But this is Christmas here, this is one. Look good. This is one. See there, this is a new style. You understand? All like female them, Princess Street. Look good now, man. Cheese and peas. Anything simple? Voila, make you hear what you say. Where's that?
75 Princess Street.
75.
Any fireworks. Any wall. Start.
Yeah, man. Fireworks. See there. When my ladies them look good. Everything down here. Jeans, shorts, everything. What we say, mommy? Everything got to go. But so we now go home. Straight till the morning. Everything have to sell off. See the massive, all our woman pants them. Short pants, skirt, right as up. Princess Street. No joke. Remember me tell you, man. Can't miss. 10th floor. Quick sale and small profit. Yeah, man. Everything have to go. So when we come here now, at least you know, we see a run for the Christmas here. Where them decorate the pants them, you see me? It's a female them or the style of them I run with now. You see me? What they call a style now? When they come and ask me, can I realize that this them I run with now? So you get the normal short jeans or anything and then customize it like this. With the woman short pants, custom. Because you hard to find one of them I will see them enough. Come to my friend, yeah. How much fish shorts them? Because we sell them out quick and fast. $1,500 and it gone, my friend. Or $2,500 for your one. Talk to him, man. We are sell out. Everything got to go.
Remember, you know, when you go get a 3-5, you see it for.
You see me? The pants boss, we are room too. Yeah. I know Joseph not see me. You see me? But we are Joseph always I see what I want. So we are work with today. You understand? Yeah, I call host today. So I don't know pants boss massive. If you want to buy pants them from all different kind of price, go right up. You can check pants boss. Yeah, man. No joke. Right at Beckford Street and Princess Street. Yeah, man. No joke, no doubt. A massive down a town. It's a vibe, it's an energy. Where say? Oh, look, 10th floor.
Look good, brother. Look good. Look good.
Your mummy ball house is 75 Princess Street because she there a sell to you. You know what fab? You know what soap? Tell me, you know what matches? See them, man. You know what Omega? Look good now, man. Everything she got is 75 Kingston Street. Remember, say furniture, them have to clean and nice. So I lady over there so the furniture polish. Make sure say the furniture them beautiful and well varnished. Don't come clean them off now, man. Yeah. Look good. How you mean? That is it, my boss. The case of fall, go through my teacher. Case of fall, they up there on the ends, yeah? Right, go on. That's a code. So, here massive. And a joke thing. Alright, here was into the right, so we just walk go down and go around for any one of them avenue there. Oh, better yet, we all can. Yeah, you just go on, sir. We just a freestyle.
Walk on.
That is it, my teacher. Everything good?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. You pass through. Hear that? Yeah. Mad thing, man. I'm going to go through over here, sir. Hold on now, that parking with me today.
Shopping mall.
You did mark the time? Alright. Navigate through some cribbles and some corner. Yes. So, see them place,
No! The band of them and told them about them and
Lord Jesus. Whatever. Dead.
Sorry, that is.
Oh, you have them there?
Yeah, no. 12 bills, woman pants. Woman in a pants at 12 bills. All woman pants at 12 bills. Remember me have the black man pants them for 15 bills. Yeah, super skinny. 15 and 17 man jeans. So check me. All man pants I sell out at wholesale myself. Listen, man pants, woman pants, man pants, woman pants, woman in a pants. Woman in a pants. You know. 12 bills, woman pants.
Mommy, 12 stool that's a drop off on the table.
Yeah. Hey boy, I want to buy new shirt, new pants. Yeah? I have your dirty underpants and dirty marina. We have these marina.
Come on, got you.
Oh,
no, we don't at all. I have a shout out Big Grass Enterprise. Yeah. So we have a shout out Big Grass Enterprise for matches there. You understand? Have a big up Big Grass Enterprise. Down at all. So Big Grass Enterprise. See it here? Nice, man. Big Grass Enterprise, look good. If you want the high fashion, you have to follow the Big Grass. Big Grass Enterprise. Yes, sir. Big Grass Enterprise. Half a bit. From the jacket to the pants and everything. You see me I say? Man. You have to be a Big Grass when it comes to the right fashion and things. Super skinny. From super skinny, look good.
Diamond jeans, diamond jeans.
Look good.
Diamond jeans, diamond jeans. Diamond jeans, diamond jeans. Diamond jeans, diamond jeans. All clothes are go. All clothes are go. There, come to tell us something. All, big woman. Your daughter can look like you.
Yeah,
your daughter can look like you.
For me, once with the downtown, this is one of my places to shop too as well because you don't know Big Grass I'm a general. Big Grass I'm a G, and trust me, see all the cargo pants them here. Cargo pants, see them here. Big Grass, dress, and all the leggings them, see the leggings them here, pants leggings them, you can get them right, that's all. Big Grass, look good. See that? Can get the all-in-one them too as well, right at Big Grass. Respect, see? That's a code. Also, see that, 2 pieces, gym outfit, look good. And him have them in a suit, and he also have them in a short suit. Right round a Big Grass. No joke, no doubt. Look good, you see me, so. Them go move through, a man thing, no joke, no doubt. You see? Yeah, man. That's it. Yeah. Also, you have a place aside there too. Yeah, them have really nice things too. No joke, no doubt. You see me, I say? Yeah.
Girl like Big Grass. How much you want? How much you want? How much you want?
I'm a hide you.
Yo.
I'm a hide you.
Yo.
Think of best here.
Check me out. Yeah, boyfriend, Big Grass.
Hey! I don't want my video, yo. Big up, give Big Grass one shout out. Say big up Big Grass. That's a code. Outside. Yeah, massive. No joke, no doubt. So, we are moved to and I do it. Let's go. Nice vibes. Have a rate Big Grass. I'm a general, you see me? Yeah, man. Always. So, massive downtown. Grand Market Day is a vibe, is an energy. And we can't take that from downtown. No time, no day. Remember me tell you that. Remember me tell you, you can't take that from downtown. No time, no day. You see me? Grand Market Day downtown. Swear to you. We're there. Jaja no. Hey, follow. Yo.
Everything for sale, yes or no, you know. You come in at this one. Come in. Hurricane price, see you now.
Hurricane price. Oh God. Hurricane price, a year. 10 for a year, hurricane price, I don't know.
Yeah, alright, you know to the Kingston, one part I talk about it.
Yeah, bro.
That's some man for the
retail over here. Rap profit t-shirt start from $1,000.
Why, may I tell you?
T-shirt, pants and blouse.
Man jeans and boy jeans and Wholesale.
No, yeah, they left us.
Yeah. Traffic. 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 Beckford Street, 10th floor. Traffic. Hot water.
Move faster, man.
Come through, Godfather.
I like turning it.
10th floor, move that. Them they are jumping arrow.
Maybe I saw sorry.
Soton go. No, we have a Soton go, you hear? Yeah, Soton go, you hear? Yeah, a Soton, hold on, the big up line. A Soton go. What we say, my brother? Yeah, if you're forward, don't get today, you're going to get bong, you're going to get bunks, you're going to get everything. We are doing. Oh, you know, say me a record. They say it's a tape.
It's a tape.
Gaza don't rate.
Remember, Gaza don't rate, yeah? Remember, on the app, yeah? Murder, be a man this year, watch out, one. December now.
December, Grand Market, yeah. How old a lady there over there, so? Her face light up and she see me, you know.
Guyana, watch out.
And she see me, her face light up.
From Guyana.
Jesus, babe, good. Yeah. So, you know, see your boyfriend, them spot this, so we have to end dance and blast. Big up yourself, hear that, everything good. Oh, you big, man. No, Joe. Watch her face light up when she see me, and say, watch him, and be sitting and go out, you know. Enough love, be there, hear that? Oh, you big. Yeah. Look good, no man, Grand Market Day. When the Mickey and fall, because we drop them video fast. Look good. Oh, the half before that town come shop and see me, I say, Beckford Street. No joke, no.
Murder, yeah.
That is it.
Right in front, bash and everything there. And be a madness, yeah. One massive.
That's cool. Look good. But them have everything, dog. Look good. What the ladies said, they see trend now, man. Jesus, peace. Hey, oh, them have the crop top, them thing, I want to always ask for. See it here. We have a part from early, though, don't we go? Yeah. Remember, say, don't get now lock till the morning. You understand? Tomorrow now come till next week. Eh? Me say tomorrow now come till next week. Tomorrow now come till next week. And the members don't have a forward grab down. How about it is? Come through, look good. Massive tomorrow now come till next week, so don't have a forward from now, look good.
Boyfriend shots.
Eh? Talk to me now, man. Look on the style. So tell, see that, so they do all the pants them too, you see me?
Boyfriend shots.
Yeah. And the new fashion. What them call it?
We have a cargo pants and boyfriend pants.
Pants and patch. Boyfriend pants. Clothes and skirt. Everything have a sell out. Look out, see cargo pants, you know. One with the pocket. Oh God, Beckford Street. Yes. Beckford Street. Downtown. Lord of mercy, it's a massive, may I tell you. All if they are foreign, nobody shop a foreign. Better than just forward, don't it? Just forward the town. Yeah, man, I go cross. Hey, Baggy here. Big up yourself, Candy, when they are here. Mad thing, man. Candy have a lady. So Candy have L-Star shirt there. Eh? Look good. L-Star. Whole heap of L-Star there. Same speed. Beckford Street. Right at Candy. How you mean? See all Amari Peso. Godspeed. All of them. Tommy. Look good, man. Timberland. All of them. And she also have pants. $1,500 man pants. Quick see a small profit. $1,500 shirt. What's a man? Only $1,000. Only $1,000. And the boy shirt them gone. Everybody pretty for Christmas. Easily. Yo, you see, make sure me come and hold on before me reach a Joseph. And look how I hear that. Yeah, man. How that, man? How that, man? They say you're right.
Oh, them brother.
One war is for the good. How you mean?
One war is for the good.
You say me it a tape?
It a tape?
Yeah, gas on a real.
Gas on a real.
That's a good one.
Jamaica.
How you mean? How we are mash up right now? Where's the style of catch?
I'm me tell you, look what one.
See what
the girl them one, bad bitch them.
Please. Look good now, man. Oh my word. Custom,
boss.
Jaja, do look good. Beckford Street. Custom. Yo, alright then, praise the Lord. Look good. Get the custom tees them. Look good. Look good now, man. Yo, only if you buy the skirt, yeah, and you alone have it. And there's no other one like it. And you alone wear it. Look good. She is a piece. Figure that. See there. Only one like every one of them. So once you buy that one day, you see another girl in it. That's a good one. Just Big up my brother. Yeah, man. Scared you good? We're there. Come through. Godfather, you look like a afraid man. You have a road man, I said you got told. Sit down with it.
You are going. Big up one Jamaica.
We are going. We are going. Powder. Go on.
Bookie, call Star and call.
Me and Bookie go around the road already. Yeah. Who is? Joseph. How about Joseph guy? Eh? See all the teacher, I'm have them to look good. Joseph! Yeah. Away God. Road. And this is Beckford Street, massive. 10. Feel like you want to make a walk, let me see what you do that video. Make you go room. You want to go room? Let me see what you do that video. Yeah. Let me tell you. Alright, this segment is brought to you by 10 Floor. Yes, I'm dead.
Some of them boy them a sell jeans down, and them dreams them a sell. Down with them chicken we have the bad jeans and chopping up for the man jeans and hey, don't never be proud. Them jeans are man. Check me now. Hot jeans over here, hot jeans over here, so lady and over there.
I saw him earlier. Yeah man, I'm in there, man. I don't know what God. Okay. But Joseph. I don't know where God. Maybe I threw it in there. Find somebody around there though. I might. That man in the church, nobody man. I don't want that. I went Joseph there man. See how Joseph stack up and all and sitting at the blouse and skirt. Look good now man. And that means if you run out. Probably run can get some, you know. Yeah. So massive. We are going to go and walk through. We are going up on the Orange Street. We are going to go and hold our energy. And see that. Yes man, down at all. Do that we just a vibe.
You know the headquarters.
That is it.
You know the headquarters.
Let me know.
So, you just know, say, you just do the book and forward back. But you know where I come from the headquarters and you're there for the whole what? Whole day, whole night. Alright?
So, here's how my brushing ends. You don't know, Joseph, downtown, he have a cargo skirt them. See that? Joseph have a cargo skirt them, no joke, no doubt. Also, all of the, you don't know, the fashion them for the ladies them as well. Look good. Yes, man. So, Joseph not there right now, so by the time we circle, Joseph are going to reach back. I'm going to tell you, you see me? So, we are going to make a walk and forward.
Straight American Eagle. See the straight American Eagle. Yeah, man. No. Get him.
Oh, him rich! But him rich! Him rich!
One Jamaica, one never tell a lie. Pick up yourself, baby, and
him rich!
One really downtown. Grand market today. Place festive.
Him rich! So, I mean, the brother that dog here. You understand? I don't understand how you just drop again. He's some pace, man. Downtown. Joseph. So the place look for a morning. How it go?
Festive.
Tagwan.
Yeah.
Full.
Look good, man.
Yeah. So what we run out fast today?
Cargo skirt.
Cargo skirt.
Yeah. Cargo skirt. They got the latest.
Custom.
Pleated them slap way. Cargo now.
So you have no want to crop top?
Look good.
Is it crop top?
Yeah. Show them what going on.
Oh, you have the crop top them also?
Yeah.
Yeah. I might see the one. Look good. Joseph.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, yo. Yeah, where's the panic? You're not telling people that Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when they come.
You see, the gun market tonight, after gun market, Christmas, a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes. Downtown. One year downtown.
That's good. Joseph is self-passing. So, alright, that's how my ends. Anytime we're there, downtown. Alright, that's how we kick it back. Alright, that's how we will vibe and the energy. So, we're going to go and walk, we see the rest of town look, and then we circle. We don't know, but we just go through and we just go around. You understand? Yeah, man. Let's attend, you sweat. Love good, brother. Let's say good. Yeah, I love it. Alright then. Joseph, you're so forward. Oh, yeah, baby, I show them. Someone says, when I walk with me downtown, as a matter of fact, 10. I must him. I'm never there, you know, for 5 back, Alright, here was massive. I put it in him hand for him go and go see who him can capture while I bust a reason and deal with a few things. What me say, you can do that? You can try. You can try? Yeah. Alright then. Look what say, 20 minutes. So massive, I make him go capture something and just go on. Go on the road. All you have to do, I hold him straight. But whenever you keep him straight, we're good.
Same come back, how the bullet? How the bullet? Yeah, one walk by, Dante there. Live, I saw myself on TV, I don't see it yet. One walk by, one tight pants. Never done yet, clean.
A tight shot,
tight shot, tight pants, shot, anything. Anything tight, yeah. One goes to the fast and Bluetooth, yeah.
Everything's alright. So the city, we go see where 10th floor. We just feel like do something to them different. We go see where I go video, and we go see everything good. Go on the road. We go see where you can see. Show people them to
some of them body was in dreams, and them dreams for myself. Some of them body was in dreams down, and them dreams for myself. Don't think to get rid of the bad dreams and check out the man dreams. Everyone have a big life, them dreams are good. Check me now, hot jeans over here, son over there, so hot jeans over here, so lady, and over there, so me say, and yes, somebody I may have done them dreams, and
pants are $1,000 woman pants. Pants are $1,015. Lady may have knickers, pants and skirt. Knickers, pants, skirt and shorts, lady. $1,000 pants. May have knickers, pants, skirt and shorts. I sell out. $1,000 pants, lady. Lady pants are $1,000 pants.
Hey, no, but now man slipper, 5 months in the road. Hey, now you need up a man slippers. Other crooks are selling man slippers. Hey, now any slippers, 5 months in the road.
Jokes about the law.
Let's go in camp.
Chocolate. Reverse.
them. Man, I come and get your people. Come on, come on, go. Cucumber, 150 pound, 150 a pound, 150 gold, 150 a pound.
Sweet pan, 150 a pound. Cabbage at 350. Tough enough cabbage at 350 a pound. Tough enough cabbage at 350 a pound. 200 at carrot. 200 a pound. 200 a pound. $300 a pound, Irish at 200, beetroot at 300, yellow at 350, ginger 400 a pound, half of 200, string bean at 200, 1 pound of string bean at 200, best of the string bean 200 a pound, sorrel at 800.
Cucumber 70.
Yo, blocks. Where are you?
Eh? 9 pot, you want some?
People have to find you. The wireless life, no man, a soldier without the camera. Cement up on the top, I'm a code in the bottom farmer. Finger straight up on the press it to them for I'm not trying to take it to the top and never make it fall. Them the song they want to
them are scared every time. Every time over them are scared.
I can't sell out.
Knickers, pants, skirt and shorts, lady, $1,000 pants. We have knickers, pants, skirt and shorts I sell out, $1,000 pants, lady pants are $1,000 pants.
Beat the summer with them gangs here, really boy. Beat the summer with them gangs here. Remember, match your jeans with the gangs here. Match your gangs with the jeans. Check me out for the hot jeans. Downtown, yes, I'm with them. I'm like, dump them jeans up today. Check me out for the hot jeans. Check me out for the bad jeans. Some of them boys must say jeans. And them dreams, they must say. Some of them boys must say jeans. And them dreams, they must say.
Boyfriend pants, regular pants, yeah man, $1,500 pants. You know, man, $1,500 pants, $1,500 pants, $1,500 pants, pants are $1,500, boyfriend pants, regular pants, plain pants, $1,500. Boyfriend pants, regular pants, yeah man, $1,500 pants. Man, pants are $1,500 pants, $1,500 pants, $1,500 pants.
LA shorts, boyfriend shorts, $1,500 one pants, $1,500 one pants.
African print them are 5 bills. Tell me what you want and you 5 bills to them. Aliester them are 500. Pastel are 500. Nike are 500. Gucci them are 500.
So we're not calling it.
Hello, what's up?
Oh, I'm never tell you.
Come check out the sale over here, sir.
Customer, red
We have wholesale retail over here. We have coffee t-shirts start from $2. We have lady shirts
We are look.
Power, you know, what go on?
Swinging on the toy, I'm chipping on my toe, me that in my toe, that's Shaban. I'm stepping on shoulder, speed up, me a tripping on the road, till the valley, till the gal neck, creeping on the door, hot till me see the bleeding on your floor. And I don't know sound, you know mismatch color.
Check me. No, Mr. Bargain.
Hello. Hello.
You know, 12 days woman pants. Woman in a pants are 12 days. All woman pants are 12 days. Remember me have the black man pants up for 15 days. Yes, super skinny. 15 and 17 man jeans. So check me. All man pants are selling out. Wholesale to sell. Listen, man pants, woman pants, man pants, woman pants, woman in a pants. Woman in a pants. Ladies, my baby.
Pick the clothes.
Girl and boy and boy and girl. Girl and boy and boy and girl. Girl and boy and so for them things about that.
700 diamond, 700 diamond. 700 diamond, 200 diamond, 200 diamond, 700 diamond. 200 diamond, 700 diamond. 700 diamond, 200
Hello lady, touch the lady there for me. Hello lady, touch the lady for me now. Hey, tell her me have $1,000 jeans. Tell her me have 13 bins jeans. Tell her me have 15 bins look good boyfriend jeans. Tell her me have 15 bins look good boyfriend jeans. Remember the $1,000 jeans, remember the 13 bins look good jeans. 15 bins,
Water and juice, ice cold, ice cold.
Trust us that.
Yeah, respect in the hands. You know, going up Princess Street, Bedford Street, Orange Street, you know, Gully, you know it go, St. Ann Beer, Mobile, Glendevon, South Spring. Yeah, you know, Mobile, come on,
Remember, match your jeans with the ganzi. Match your ganzi with your jeans. Check me out for the hot jeans. Downtown, I have some of them. I'm not done them jeans up to them. Check me out for the hot jeans. Check me out for the black jeans. Check me now, hot jeans over here, hot jeans over here,
so look over here.
No, my style, I can't go into that, my style.
Akim, when gone again? Akim, nah man, I really write us, I roll already man. Dali them a come out so. Here Dali nice street, massive a downtown. Akim.
Jamaica walk by. Remember the code. If a boy if a violate,
drive by.
Drive by. Anyway, I downtown with the grandma in there. Look what I want.
Yeah, about that time I video them, bro.
And them are weird. I will never them a million times and them are weird. They don't stop weird.
Yeah, custom.
Custom whip.
Only one of a kind. Each one of them are only one.
And you are going people. I don't want to go online and buy a bag of money. It's the downtown, only 4,000. We don't want no more than that. I will not make no bag of money where I give God thanks. Melissa just just pass through so we not kill nobody. Anyway, me this now.
Oh, my brother. So, massive, I don't know, Beckford Street and Princess Street. No joke, no. We're ready. Grand Market, everything. Quick sale, small profit. Yeah.
Any advice cartel say anything you want to come at town? A banana, a lip, a handbag, a the universe. We have smiley face. Big up Donald Trump. Big up Donald Trump. Yeah. And we have all the pink shoes them too, and that are good. So people, listen to me. The vice cartel say anything you want to come at town, him never lie.
That are good.
Everything they are town. And Jamaica walk by their town.
Everybody they are town. Our road government take it easy. Go and do it. Go back in there with there, see? Oh, you mean, okay. Yeah, me see. All the way there. 10th floor. 10th floor. 10th floor. 10th floor. 10th floor. Watch us, sir. Roger. 10th floor. Hey, we break a while ago. What you see? Around 5 times so there now. I had a year to over there. Wait, you can't believe say they are Jamaica same way. As soon as you go over there. I must say, yo, Joseph, take it easy, big up yourself. Come on, big up yourself, Jamaica walk by. Like, share, and subscribe. One Jamaica walk by. Never tell a lie. Don't at all. 2025 Grand Market. Don't at all. Look good, massive. Big up yourself, massive. All the time. Take it easy, one Joseph, Beckford Street. Make a move. Reach there, one. It's a vibe. Yeah. Outside. Yeah, man.
Regular funds, plain funds, 1,500. 1,500 for funds, sponsor 1,500.
Come on, Severe. Where does I go to?
Yeah, man, 1,500 funds, sponsor 1,500.
With the dung at all, with all our own. We're bringing the dung at all. Alright, we're not touch Orange Street, we are going to hold Orange Street and go around and it will be a wrap.
Oh boy, still a t-shirt off a line. How are this?
Up there. Down a town, boy.
Look at him.
That is it for me. I show him the ropes.
It's right over here, so $1,000 give any piercing. $1,000 give any piercing. We have clip, navel, nose, and ears ring. Clip, navel, nose, and ears ring. $1,000 give any piercing.
I tell you, brother, I tell you. Down at town, I swear to you. Everything done. See me, I say. Yeah, G. What I went there? So far, man. Big up yourself, bro, G. Hey, babe. Yeah. Eh? What's that?
My boy never tell you forward over when you get a chance.
Oh, yeah, man. I'm good, man. Okay. So, we're there, Orange Street. 10th Road, this is Orange Street.
You know the shoe. What do you mean?
People always ask me that. Say, how me not tell them my street name.
Oh, okay, so you're talking to them, not to me.
Wait, I want to go on now.
That makes sense.
Watch out now. So why mom's in a handcuff though? Mom's in a handcuff. Why downtown? You don't know where I go on, but yeah, downtown. Anything can happen, man. Yeah, bro, G. So, let's go. Go through my G. Hey, hello, my beautiful sister. Only Grand Market Day down here Saga look so. Only Grand Market Day, brother. You will never see downtown look like this other than Grand Market Day. Fully change up. Set up super different. Remember me tell you. Yeah man, look good. So, we just go back towards the vehicle as we show the energy and the vibe. Come down, me teacher. So make we do it, so you understand? Yeah. So we are doing it. Only downtown, I love my country, a fret. Love my country, swear. Voilà, share them friends. Our country. Our country.
Thank you.
Oh my word. Kingston town, place how long to be. Yes, sir. Come touch me. Come in, me have an idea you see recognize. That means that you watch the channel for good. You hear about Art of Love here? That is it, man. Yeah. Come in, take. Let's go, massive. Today I have a hat and thing, and if my supporters them still recognize me in a hat, that means that them really and truly support. Art of Love. I say, oh, I recognize me more in my hat. Art of Love, sister. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Blessings, man. Always. Support is key. Big up. That is it, man. Yeah, big up to my sister. Them. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Today I have a hat and most of the subscribers them still recognize me. It is good. It's a good feeling. It's great. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah.
500 t-shirt.
$500. I won't give love and peace. Must stay. Yeah, man. Downtown festive, brother. Ted, you don't want to go back home? Ethan? You don't want to go back home?
Stay right here.
Might as well, you just stay. I swear to you. Might as well you just stay, my brother. Just stay. Oh boy. Outside with it. Outside with it.
I use about AC.
So this is King Street. We just have passed through King Street right now. And thing, you see me? Alrighty. And then we're gonna go from Barry Street. And then go straight across Barry Street. That we are gonna do. Mommy, beg a quick squeeze past there. Thank you.
Yes, ring chain over here. Wallet first.
You understand? Whoa, yo, easy. What you mean? Massive on the buy. Everybody and them picnic outside I buy. And I sell. Grand Market, downtown. Grand Market, downtown, brother. Why? People them we always link me and say, yo, walk by. We thank you for them today because we didn't have our stucky place cool, we can't get to walk, and you watch your channel and see us a walk through. It's a blessing. But they shine and fresh like a looking glass. Yo. Everything you want there at home, brother. Everything.
Anything you say 200, 300 now, 200, 300. Leave anything at 200, yes sir. Leave anything at 200, 300. Blouse at 200, tights at 200. Anything at 200, 300, lady. When you're there at 200, then at 200. Anything at 200, 300. Lady blouse at 200, just at 200. Anything you see at 200, 300 now, 200, 300. Lady anything at 200, yes sir. Lady anything at 200, 300. Blouse at 200, tights at 200. Anything at 200, 300, lady. Boy, lady there at 200. Lady at 200. Anything at 200, 300. Lady blouse at 200, just at 200. Anything you see at 200, 300 now, 200, 300. Lady anything at 200, yes sir. Lady anything at 200, 300. Blouse at 200, tights at 200. Anything at 200, 300, lady. Boy, lady there at 200. Anything at 200, 300. I done them alone. 500. Anything
Yeah, massive. So, all about downtown Kingston. Downtown Kingston. So massive, you don't know. Big up and respect, thank you so much for watching. Heart of love to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. Grand Market Day, Downtown Kingston. Just a vibe, just a energy. Can't make this up. This is real life, real Jamaica, real people, real energy. You get what I say? I swear to you.
I have phone screen
real energy,
Come
real
get your phone
everything.
screen protected.
Come here, we go down the side. I got some places we never really go. So we could just do it. Real vibe, real energy. I walk in the street of Kingston. You get me? Yeah. Down a town, brother. Hey man. So they on some different streets. So we just turn off a Barry Street. And thing.
Ginger, 4 beans a pound, man, see you out. Come cucumber 70 a pound, give cucumber 1 pound, and cucumber 70.
What shape? Jaja know. Yeah, my friend. Now go and go there. For real. So down them aside and now people can get your bed bottom, your bed head, your best everything for make. You understand? You can get that down here so. So that's like the furniture spot. See me I say? Yes man. Let's go. Some different part down the town where we now walk, you see it? Yeah man, furniture. So I saw they make them in the street. All of them having a big furniture, my people. Yeah man. Whatnot, dresser, everything. You can get it. We'll go up the road down and so. You smell that? Take it all in. Big up yourself, my friend, outside. Boy, I say you sent a kick like a KFC. Jesus, space. Yeah, massive. Good food. Tell me that smell nice. It smell from far. Oh gosh. Boy. Yeah, man. Smell nice. She look like she had the fritters roast breadfruit, ackee and saltfish, all of them kind of things there. Then them part of some different kind of part of town where enough people don't really walk, you see me? As I realize how scanty it look. Yeah. And the furniture man them really lock off them ends. Yeah man. Let's go. So massive. This is the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, supporting Jamaica Walk By. Thank you so much for just looking out for the channel and liking the video, them subscribe to the thing them, and it's just a blessing same speed, isn't it? So that is the energy, that is the type of vibe I talk about. Don't just watch, you have to subscribe to the thing, is it? Yeah. So we're gonna go straight up and then make a pause. Yeah, let's see what I go on. So let's do this. Watch your carry, my friend. Yeah. I will watch you. Ah. But you better watch me. You have a liquor. Lord have mercy. So yeah, Massive, we're there. We are going through. Just yeah, music. No, pass it. Pass it. We have to touch about big up yourself, hear that? That's a cool, always. The music I play, we can't take it copyright. Alright, that's what I want. Yeah, man. Yeah, me general, you understand? Yo, the animal ways I make a reason dog at all, and I mean him very educated and he know a lot of things, so me and him always have to stop and a chat, you see me? Yeah, me not even the sissy of him, you see it? Yeah, Massive, so you don't know. The great parking lot right here, so. So me, you know, me always have a park on Pigeon Street. At this parking lot here on Pecan Street. You see me? Yeah. This is a parking lot, so you know I go Massive, no joke. So, big up and respect how much Jamaica Walk By Massive. Alright man, that's a code. You know say me I record it a tape. Art of love, you hear that? Respect how we have to work?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, sell juice. How much for this?
2 bills.
I remember support you, right? So
yeah, man, come on.
Put a cool on there.
Yo, Noel.
You watch Noel too?
CJ, one of them, man. Jizzy Burke, one of them, guys.
Yeah, that is it, man.
Yeah, good.
Alright. Call for that juice, yeah. We have some juice in the vehicle already, but yeah, I don't know. I just 2 alone in them. I must can buy one. Somebody walk out, somebody can get a one right away. Quick and fast. Not true?
Chop.
Yeah, man. So, as a matter of fact, keep it. Look at more, yeah? Yeah. We there, Massive. We are close, so art, I love, mad respect. 10 floor, anything I want, so can I watch you I go? Where you say? Good day?
No.
What?
Great day.
Great day?
That is it.
DJ 10 floor, outside, down at town. Super appreciate all you, my subscribers, art, I love, mad respect. That is it.